Okay, so I got my tent. I've had these before over the years. The zipper was a little tough to work. It has a little bit of a problem. You got to go slow with it. I'm assuming that it just needs some time to stretch. The only problem with these tents that I see almost every time is the rooftop canopy. They come with these open plastic black hooks, and they come off every time you unfold or fold up your tent. So I would suggest getting some carabiners on Amazon, and they do the trick, and then your rooftop will always stay in place. All right, that's my little tip from me to whoever buys these tents. Make sure you order some small carabiners, and you can order it right on Amazon with the tent. Have a good day.
Looking real good right there. It's pouring down, raining. But look, I'm staying dry.